Noodles, shrimp, and lots of tasty veggies, all stir-fried in a spicy, nutty Szechuan sauce. I'm Tess, and today I will show you how to make my Szechuan Dan Dan noodles. Stay tuned. Since this dinner is all about the Szechuan cuisine, I'm going to enter a couple ingredients that will make these Dan Dan noodles even better. The first ingredient is Szechuan peppercorns. I'm lightly toasting a tablespoon of peppercorns for a minute or two. Toast until you get a slight pepper aroma, remove from the heat, and roughly crush in a mortar and pestle. These prickly Szechuan peppercorns will give a nice additional zing to the noodles and also give you that slight numbing tongue effect. And now for the Dan Dan noodle sauce. I have 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter, and you can use tahini. 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of dark mushroom flavor soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar, and the second additional ingredient that I'm adding is 3 tablespoons of Szechuan bean paste, and this adds a nice salty umami flavor. 2 teaspoons of chili garlic paste or garlic oil for the heat, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and about 1/4 cup of water or enough to thin out the sauce, giving that a good stir. In a pan on medium-high heat, I'm adding in about 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 cup of sliced red onions. Cooking and stirring for 1 minute, and then I'm adding in 2 cups of shredded cabbage. I like adding cabbage because it really bulks up a meal. Cooking and stirring for a couple minutes, and then I'm adding in 1/2 cup of sliced bell peppers and about 6 red chili peppers for additional heat, and this is totally optional. Cooking and stirring for a minute. Adding in 3 cloves of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. Cooking and stirring for about 30 seconds. I had some cooked shrimp that I needed to use, so in they go. Who doesn't like shrimpies? Stirring to combine and then adding in a couple handfuls of fresh bean sprouts. This is about 8 ounces of cooked Chinese egg noodles. You can use rice noodles, udon noodles, or even some spaghetti pasta for this recipe. Pouring over my sauce and giving everything a toss. You can also use tongs to toss. Just take your time and everything will come together. Before we get too far, I also want to add our freshly toasted and crushed Szechuan peppercorns. Keep tossing. And finally, this is the greens of about 6 garden onions. 1 more quick toss and we are done. These Szechuan Dan Dan noodles really pack a punch of flavor. They are so good, and the shrimp I added was a bonus. You can add the vegetables and meat that you like and use the noodles of your choice. The sauce has a nice spicy heat, and the creamy peanut butter mellows everything out. You can play around with the heat and spice level that you like. I hope you give my shrimp Szechuan Dan Dan noodles a try, and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button to receive my future recipes. Please feel free to share my channel with your friends and family. It really helps my channel grow and it is greatly appreciated. And until next time, much love.